Bullish stepn cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.62 and $4.94 by 2030. Market investigators accept GMT could reach $2.04 by 2025. Bearish stepn market cost expectation for 2023 is 46 cents. stepn presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about stepn cost forecast. On the whole, we should examine the fundamental presentation of this money in the event that you need a decent profit from your beneficial venture from it. stepn, the primary NFT drive in view of the transition to procure idea, is a sound way of life application with social money and play to procure perspectives. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish stepn in August 2021. stepn won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking Rivalry prior to getting a $5 million subsidizing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse token, the stepn's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can propose and settle on project headways and depository dispersion. Prior to making a stepn cost, we look at what is GMT. Furthermore, stepn specialized in central investigation. How about we check it out? What is stepn? stepn is a Web3 move to procure versatile application with parts for social and gaming finance. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind stepn. The undertaking chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is the vast majority's regular action. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, stepn wrapped the second place and was the main undertaking to coordinate the move to procure idea practically. The objective of the game part of stepn is to urge a large number of clients to take on a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high-emission cars. Then again, the social money part of stepn intends to foster a stage that advances client-produced Web3 content. By finishing explicit in-game errands, players can obtain different identifications. The benefits these identifications can offer can be taken advantage of to change how the game is played. Clients who have identifications, for example, may profit from lower stamping costs, extra focuses, administration advantages, or additional energy. The making of this component is by progressing. stepn specialized examination. The stepn token's value expectation is obviously founded on a definite assessment of its value diagram and specialized investigation, taking into account both the ongoing cost and verifiable patterns of the cryptographic money. While analyzing the pattern lines, the costs have transcended the 200 mama line. The vertical estimated pattern line in the specialized examination is the most probable pattern after such a breakout, with the GMT value starting and market cap to challenge its new obstruction levels. These investigations are perky regardless of whether there is an overall feeling of a bear market that could penetrate the crypto business. The stepn cash and the typical cost are supposed to recuperate significantly more quickly than the in general crypto market cap, giving financial backers tremendous additions on both short and long-haul property. Besides, you should decide the kind of help and opposition levels that stepn cost estimate experiences to anticipate its future. The even obstruction can be recognized by how frequently the GMT esteem rises and falls during a vertical push. stepn current cost. stepn is presently worth 58 cents USD. GMT has moved 8.60% as of now with an exchanging volume of $355,738,145. stepn is presently positioned 104 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $348,950,331 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for stepn to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous stepn market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. stepn value expectation 2023. stepn, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The GMT cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 87 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 81 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 69 cents. stepn value expectation 2024. In 2024, stepn GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform $1.45. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the GMT's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.16 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.28. STEPN value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.04 and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.86 and a low of $1.74 in 2025. STEPN value forecast 2026. On the off chance that STEPN effectively supports market opinion among digital money devotees, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.62, with a base cost of $2.33 and a typical cost of $2.44. STEPN value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.02 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.91 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a greatest value worth of $3.20. STEPN value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.61. On the off chance that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $3.78. Neglecting to assemble the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $3.49. STEPN value expectation 2029. While GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.07 and a yearly cost close above $4.36 in 2029. STEPN value expectation 2030. By 2030, STEPN will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $4.65 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $4.94, averaging out at $4.77. STEPN value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest GMT